Prime Minister Andrew Holness has declared the criminal activity in Spanish Town a national emergency. He says there must be changes to address the issue.
The social ethic of Jamaica needs to change to match the irresponsible ethic of those who seek to destroy our society. If you make bad decisions, you must face the consequences.
The Prime Minister explains why it seems like nothing is being done to stem the high levels of crime.
We can't respond because every move we make, there is some legal argument or some political argument being made about the preservation of rights. The rights of who? It is never a debate about the rights of the victims, those people who suffer, those people who are killed, those people who are injured in accidents. It is never a debate about those who have lost loved ones. What about their rights too?
He says those who come out speaking about defending rights are alienating the people of the system of justice and law and order, and this cannot be maintained.
I do not have the luxury to be dithering on these matters anymore. We have to act on it. And we have to act to protect the innocent, law-abiding citizens.